Hello friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel. We have been getting a lot of requests from the people about the QNET refund policy. There are some IR or distributors who are scamming people. They are not telling anything about the business, about the compensation plan, about the company name and what they need to do in this business, and just taking the money from the people and signing up in this business. Once the welcome session starts, then they come to know that this is network marketing or MLM business, as there is no transparency. These people say QNET is a scam, but this is a distributor scam. I want to ask the question to all the QNET distributors that this is not what we have been taught by Chief, Dado Shri and Japada. Some distributors are just cheating the people, just for the sake of some money. You can make some money in the short term, but you can never make money for the long term into this business. To help these people who have been cheated by their friends, relatives or family members, we are creating this video for you people to guide you step by step to get the refund from the QNET. Option 1. If you have your IR ID and password, then you can log into below URL and apply for a refund. We shall show you how you can apply for a refund in this video. Option 2. If you don't have your IR ID and password, then in this case you need to talk to your upline. Upline can be your friends, relatives or family members. Your upline might have created fake email ID, and using fake email ID and mobile number they have registered you into QNET, which is against the QNET policy and procedure. You need to check with your upline whether they have purchased the products using INR or USD. Some IR or distributor, they don't want you to apply for the refund claim, so they buy from QNET Global Portal using USD. If the products are bought in INR currency, then as per the Indian direct selling guidelines, the refund policy is 30 days from the date of product purchased. You need to immediately send an email to mentioned email address to get the refund. If the products are bought in USD currency, then the refund policy is 7 days from the date of purchase. You need to immediately send an email to mentioned email address to get the refund. Now we shall guide you step by step to get a refund. When you write an email, then your email subject should be cancellation of IR ship orders and claim refund for your IR ID. This is the email template we shall give you in this video's description box. Please copy and paste it and give your referral full name and referral IR ID. And you should mention your full name, IR ID, PAN card number and mobile number. You must attach the PAN card copy, product return form, product receipt form. You will get the product return form once you log into the QNET portal under My Global Support Center. You will find the product receipt form in your email address, which is sent by QNET when the product is purchased. If you don't have one, then please contact your upline. Once you send a refund email to QNET Support Center, and if you forgot to send the document which we mentioned in this video, then you will get this email from the support center. So we request you to please send all the documents at once to avoid the delay in refund. Once you send a refund email to QNET Support Center, then you will get an email that your commissions are on hold. In this email your upline also will be marked in CC. After seeing this email, your upline will contact you to convince you to not apply for refund. This business is good and they will help you into this business. As we already said, any business works on trust and ethics. If your upline uses your trust and relationship by telling lies about this business, then it does not make any sense to work with this kind of person. And if you do not want to work in this business, then you must apply for a refund. If the product is still in transit, then you should tell the courier to return the product. Please do not accept the product. If the product is already delivered to you, then please do not open and use the product, else QNET will not refund your money, and also please make sure that product should not be damaged. You will receive this email from QNET Support Center. Please send the product to the given address. Please mention invoice number and distributor ID on parcel when you courier to QNET. If you forgot to send a courier recipient, then you will get the email from QNET Support Center. Please send the courier recipient so that they can track the shipment, and you also keep tracking the shipment. Once they receive the shipment, then you will receive the email from QNET Support Center that QNET Logistic Department will verify the product for any physical damage or any use of this product. Once they found that products are in good condition and have not been used, then you will receive this email from the QNET Support Center, and then you need to send your cancelled check to process the refund. If you have transferred money from your bank account to QNET bank account, then you will get the refund in your account. If you have transferred money to your upline, then you will get the refund to your upline bank account, so please send a mail to QNET Support Center to process the refund to your account only. If the money goes to your upline, then they may delay giving you money, or there will be a possibility to cut some charges by your upline. So please make sure to take the full amount from your upline. If your upline used the iCoupon or eCard to buy the products, then the refund will be in iCoupon or eCard form only. So in this case, your upline will delay till they use the iCoupon or eCard to sign up another person, and they will take the money from that person and give money to you. Once the refund process is initiated, you will receive an email from QNET Support Center that refund has been initiated and sent to the finance team for review. You need to keep following every 4 to 5 days to the QNET Support Center for a refund, otherwise it will be delayed. You will receive this email once the refund has been processed by QNET, then you can check your bank account for the refund amount. This process may take 2 months to 4 months, but you need to continue follow up with the QNET Support Center. We have seen many distributors asking to sign the agreement paper, sending acknowledgement emails and sending selfie videos that we have explained to you about the company business plan and business model, and you have understood and agreed to buy the product to start the business. Please do not do this. These things are not mentioned in QNET policy and procedure. Please be aware and do not get into this trap. This video is an awareness video to help victims of distributors scam. If you are part of a distributor scam, then please collect the proof in the form of WhatsApp chat, email, call recording and video recording, and send a mail to mentioned email address to terminate this type of IR or distributors. We hope this video will help you to get the refund and spread awareness of the distributor scam which is happening in QNET. If you like this video, then please share with your friends and your upline and downline, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's build a legacy together. The V.